Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian from Theralist. We make tiny lists of big ideas for therapists and mental health professionals in a hurry. All right. So, one of the challenges that many folks in our community face, and again, we also run the Mindful Marketplace. .com platform with lots of mental health professionals, mindfulness teachers, therapists, and folks working in the mental health extended space. And lots of folks are struggling to actually really showcase some of the wonderful, amazing endorsements that you're getting from around the web and the world from your patients, your clients, etc. So I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to supercharge the testimonials and reviews and ratings that you're displaying currently on your website with a really simple a couple lines of code. I'm certainly not a coder, so this is ideal for those of us who are code dummies and really want a simple way of elevating our social media presence, our website, and highlighting the endorsements we're getting from around the web. All right, so the challenge here is that it's really easy to add Yelp and Google and local reviews to a website these days because lots of testimonial software platforms have integrations that are native to these services. So you can actually simply, have your testimonial or review software work well with Yelp or Google or Instagram, et cetera, and quickly add by dint of integration the reviews to your website. But the problem is many folks who are working as either physicians or doctors or therapists or mental health professionals, sites like ZocDoc or HealthGrades, they don't offer similar integrations, right? So that kind of leaves those of you who are doing this sort of work behind, right? And the challenge here is that many of your actual patients and clients are going to be leaving reviews on those sorts of sites like HealthGrades and ZocDoc, writ large. All of those sorts of sites are representative of lots of the reviews and testimonials and practice ratings that you're going to get online, right? So it makes it very difficult to actually show off and feature many of the great experiences your patients are having with your practice. So the solution here is using something like testimonials.to and their free Chrome extension. This is the salient piece of this process where you're simply going to be right clicking on any content from any site around the web and adding it to your wall of love. All right. So what you need here is you need a testimonials account. They have a freemium pricing model, which means they have a free tier or level that you can do a lot of this for free, and then you can, as you accumulate more and more testimonials or add more and more ratings, reviews, etc., you have to pay for the platform. All right. Number two, they have a free Chrome extension, which differentiates them from similar services. Number three, you need Chrome, right? So you need the browser Chrome, also obviously free. And you don't need to use Chrome for everything, but just for this particular piece of the process when adding your reviews. You can add as many reviews as you want using Firefox or Safari, etc. But when you're actually adding reviews from sites like ZocDoc and HealthGrades, you need to use Chrome because they have this extension. All right. All you're going to do is go to any patient client review anywhere on the web, wherever it's left, and right click on the page. You're going to right click like that. All right. Very simple. You'll then see a little testimonials option. I'm recording this now in Firefox, so you're not going to see it here, but you can see I have other similar services where it says save to Milanote. That's not the service you're going to be using here, but it's the same sort of button you're going to get using Chrome with testimonials. And then you're simply going to pick the review testimonial you want to add. What I like to do is actually highlight the review text itself and then save it to your testimonial dashboard. All right. And the other thing that's new, and I'm recording this at the very tail end of May 2023, is you can now bulk import all of the testimonial reviews on any page using the same process above. You're simply going to select the bulk import option using that same thumbs up icon, and you'll get all the similar reviews as the one you selected import it into your testimonial dashboard with all the public information available by dint of the rating and review that was left by that particular patient or client, etc. Right? This is a huge, including their picture, everything that's publicly already available will now be available on your website. This is really a huge time saver and a great way of aesthetically, improving the style of your current website. It's a great way of really getting a several $1,000 upgrade to your existing website, again by dint of using this very aesthetically appealing testimonial widget, which is the next step. You're simply going to pick the size and the scroll and the aesthetics, whether you want to be dark mode or light mode, and you copy the code and you have it in your dashboard, and then you can simply paste it anywhere. And really quickly, the code is here. So you can see you have the ability, let's get out of that and I'll show you, where is it here? It's the wall of love. So this is actually I clicked on the wrong thing there. Same general idea, but this is actually the 3 widgets that you have available. And the widget in this case simply means the aesthetic presentation of how you're actually going to be displaying these on your site. If you want them dark, if you want them light, if you want them fixed, if you want them to slide, if you want them to scroll, etc. Very, very simple. And you're pretty much done. All right. You're going to paste that code or have your developer paste that code on your website, and your job is finished. And now you're going to show off your fancy pants new website with your beautiful wall of love and the amazing endorsements you're getting from around the web and the world. Or, of course, if you're like myself and you do this stuff all the time, you can simply make another pina colada and watch Dexter reruns like I prefer to do. Okie doke. Hope this is helpful. We are Theralists. We create tiny lists with big ideas for busy therapists and mental health professionals in a hurry. Elevate your practice, build your brand, wake up the world with your work. We got tons and tons of these tiny lists that are designed to actually elevate your practice very quickly, ethically, without a lot of the nonsense and the sort of marketing speak that so many folks foist in our direction as folks who work in the mindfulness, mental health, and personal growth spaces. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. As always, I appreciate you watching. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.